Hello everyone, this is a Samsung SM T720 tab. Actually, the problem with this tab is the glue has come out here. You can see the display is detaching by itself. There is no battery, solar battery, nothing, but the tab has detached by itself. The screen detached itself. Just remove this sticker first, then remove these two screws. But first confirm that before removing the display, before removing the display connector, please confirm that the tab is turned off. Tab is in off mode. It's in off mode. Remove it gently. Now it is separated. Now, actually, as we can see, they have already tried to fix some adhesive, but it has not stick properly. The reason is the previous adhesive, that is the original adhesive, which came fixed with the company, that is while manufacturing the glue, which the adhesive tape which they have used while manufacturing, it has lost its property and it has turned into sticky substance, and so it is not holding the screen tightly. Here you can see it is sticky, but it's not holding the screen in its place. So now first of all, first thing we need to do is we have to clean both the surfaces, the screen as well as the main body. This side it was easy to remove because the surface area to which the adhesive is fixed is very less, but here it is wide, so the stickiness is more. Here we need to be careful because here there are cough ICs, chip-on film ICs. Don't put force on the screen because the screen is very thin and it may break. Try not to use any metal tools. If you are doing it for the first time, never use a metal tools. Don't forget holding it with one finger and pulling the adhesive with the other. never ever press on the edges or on the screen. Just hold it gently with two fingers. Pull the adhesive sticker with the other finger. I am not using any chemicals here because there are chances that the chemical will slowly enter inside the screen and it will damage the screen. If you want to use some chemical for removing the adhesive, then what you need to do is, if you are applying chemical here on this side, then hold the screen in this way and then apply the chemical. Now, as the cleaning is complete, I am going to use this CP002 multi-purpose adhesive. So as per the instructions here, it says that we need to clean both the surfaces thoroughly, and I have done that one. We need to apply this on both the surfaces, and after few minutes, after waiting for 3 to 6 minutes, we need to fix them together and keep it pressurized under normal pressure. And it says that for drying, the adhesive needs 24 to 48 hours. That is the best results we can get after keeping it glued and under pressure for 24 to 48 hours. So let's apply it then. You need not apply here because here there is mic. Do not apply here as well. If you wish, you can apply only a dot. That's all. Just spread it in this way. Be careful with the camera side. Don't spread it on camera. The front camera. If you spread it on camera, then it will appear blur. Okay, this part is done. Keep it aside. Now take the screen part and apply it same way. We need to do this one and here 2 points. Leave the camera part. Be careful here because there are coppices. Now let me spread it. This is the proxy sensor window. Do not cover it. Now, by the time we fix the screws, it will be around the time they mentioned. Keep the here in this way. Just press it gently. Take the shield. Open them and fix it. Okay, now take the screen. I'll take the clips that we used for hanging the cloths for drying. Put it in all 4 corners. Then here. The backside is a little bit curved, so the clip will jump. So this need to be remain in this way for 24 to 48 hours. So let's switch it on and check. It's good. You can see Samsung Tab S5e. The display is good. The only thing is we should wait for it to dry and then we can continue using it. You can remove the clips after 24 to 48 hours. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in fixing back your Samsung S5e tablet PC screen, that has been detached by itself. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.